Have you ever stopped to think about how much the world of investing has changed in the last decade? Not that long ago, if you wanted to buy stocks or manage your portfolio, you were likely looking at hefty brokerage fees, complex platforms, and maybe even a trip to a physical office. But fast forward to today, and you have a plethora of online platforms right at your fingertips, promising to democratize investing and make it accessible to everyone. Among these disruptors, one name that frequently pops up is M1 Finance. But as you navigate this ever-evolving landscape, a fundamental question might arise: just how long has M1 Finance been around? How old is this platform that's become a popular choice for so many investors? It's a fair question. In the fast-paced world of fintech, longevity can be a significant indicator of stability, reliability, and the platform's ability to adapt and thrive. Knowing the age of a financial institution or platform can offer insights into its track record, its experience navigating market fluctuations, and the maturity of its offerings. Think about it. Would you feel more comfortable entrusting your financial future to a brand new startup or one that has weathered a few economic cycles? To truly understand M1 Finance and its place in the investment landscape, we need to delve a little deeper than just its age. We need to understand the context in which it was born, the problems it aimed to solve, and the journey it has taken to become the platform it is today. The early 2010s were a period of significant change in the financial world. The aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis had left many wary of traditional financial institutions, and the rise of technology was paving the way for innovative solutions across various industries. This era saw the emergence of robo-advisors and a growing interest in passive investing strategies. People were looking for simpler, more cost-effective ways to manage their money and build wealth. Into this environment stepped M1 Finance. Founded by Brian Barnes, the company officially launched its platform in August 2015. So, as of today, if you're watching this in late April 2025, M1 Finance is approximately 9 years old. Now, 9 years might not seem like an eternity in the grand scheme of financial history, but in the rapidly evolving world of fintech, it represents a significant amount of time. It's long enough to have navigated market ups and downs, to have gathered substantial user feedback, and to have iteratively developed and refined its platform. But simply stating its age doesn't tell the whole story. What makes M1 Finance stand out, and how has its relatively young age influenced its approach? One of the key differentiators of M1 Finance from its inception was its unique pie-based investing system. Instead of simply buying and selling individual stocks and ETFs, M1 allows users to create custom portfolios represented as visual pies. Each slice of the pie represents a different investment, and users can allocate specific percentages to each. This approach aimed to simplify portfolio construction and management, making it more intuitive and less intimidating for new investors while still offering flexibility for experienced ones. This innovative approach was a direct response to some of the pain points in the existing investment landscape. Traditional brokerages often presented a vast and sometimes overwhelming array of investment options, requiring users to actively manage and rebalance their portfolios. Robo-advisors, while simplifying the process, often offered less customization. M1 Finance sought to bridge this gap, offering a blend of automation and control. Over the years since its 2015 launch, M1 Finance has continuously evolved and expanded its offerings. It started primarily as an investment platform focused on long-term wealth building. However, recognizing the broader financial needs of its users, it gradually introduced additional features. One significant expansion was the introduction of M1 Borrow in 2019. This feature allowed users with taxable investment accounts to borrow money at competitive interest rates against their portfolio holdings. This provided a unique form of flexible financing, distinct from traditional loans or margin accounts at other brokerages. Another key development was the launch of M1 Spend, a checking account integrated directly with the investment platform. This aimed to create a more holistic personal finance ecosystem, allowing users to manage their spending, saving, and investing within a single platform. The introduction of the owner's rewards credit card further solidified this integrated approach, offering rewards that could be automatically invested back into the user's M1 portfolio. These expansions demonstrate M1 Finance's commitment to not just being an investment platform but a comprehensive personal finance hub. And while 9 years might seem relatively short, the pace of innovation and the breadth of features added during this time speak volumes about the company's ambition and growth trajectory. It's also important to consider the context of its competitors. The robo-advisor space, for example, saw the rise of companies like Betterment and Wealthfront a few years prior to M1 Finance. These platforms pioneered automated investment management and gained significant traction. M1 Finance entered this space with a differentiated approach, emphasizing customization and control alongside automation. This unique positioning allowed it to carve out its own niche in a competitive market. The fact that M1 Finance has not only survived but thrived in this environment for nearly a decade is a testament to the strength of its initial vision and its ability to adapt to changing market conditions and user needs. It has attracted a significant user base, managing billions of dollars in assets. This growth indicates a level of trust and confidence from investors who have chosen M1 Finance to manage their financial futures. Furthermore, the platform has consistently focused on providing a user-friendly experience. Its intuitive interface and educational resources aim to empower investors of all levels of experience. This focus on accessibility has likely contributed to its popularity, particularly among younger investors who are new to the world of finance. Of course, like any financial platform, M1 Finance has faced its share of challenges and criticisms over the years. Market volatility, regulatory changes, and the ever-present competition in the fintech space are constant factors that the company has had to navigate. However, its continued growth and expansion of services suggest that it has been largely successful in addressing these challenges. So, going back to our initial question, how old is M1 Finance? The answer, as of late April 2025, is approximately 9 years. But more importantly than just the number of years, it's what M1 Finance has accomplished in those 9 years that truly matters. It has established itself as a significant player in the fintech landscape, offering a unique and evolving platform that blends automation with customization. It has expanded beyond just investing to offer a more comprehensive suite of personal finance tools. And it has garnered the trust of a large and growing user base. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.